Stop recording. Stop. What the hell? Okay, my phone's acting. My phone's acting. Pharmacy. We are in Deep Cove, and we came here to figure out where we're going to go for next. Oh, we are in the water. I know, look at it. It looks so gross. I love that all of these places have like off. Okay, well, like 2 of them have off. So we're here to like try to find our way to like the Deep Cove track place.
Yeah, I'm
like
pretty sure we went completely the wrong way.
Yeah, but we can figure it out. We can figure it out where to go. At least we're here, like, we're doing this on a day where we're not supposed to be filming and stuff like that. But, like, look at this mural of Saka. Well, that's the park.
Oh,
maybe
I
it's
want to keep
close
going
to the
the
park.
water.
Oh, wait. No, that says Quarry Rock Hike. Baden Powell. Yeah, the trail access. Oh, that's where I have to go. Okay, we'll come back.
Continue walking down the street, because look how close to the end.
But this is a nice little town.
Isn't it? Oh, ice cream cafe, but it's not open. I gotta get it. Go kayaking.
Oh, this will be a nice little intro for the video. Like, I could put my camera on the tripod here, and then, like, have less walking back and forth.
Yes. You know what I think you should do one day when we've had more adventures? I think you should have, like, a montage at the beginning of a whole bunch of stuff that we've done.
Yeah.
How much do you think it costs to rent a kayak?
Not sure. I think the prices are right there.
Tell me that wouldn't be amazing.
It would. Look at this. The standing?
Double kayak is $55 for 2 hours.
That's not so bad. I'm gonna feel the water. Today?
Yeah. You don't actually have to like, go in the water. You just get into the kayak and then you paddle out on the water. So it's like we'll be on the water, but not in
the water. I don't know. I'm kind of nervous about that.
I can see that you're slightly tempted.
But I am.
Adventures?
Oh yeah. See where that cliff is? That's where we're going? Yeah. That's where the end is. So it shouldn't be that long.
Okay.
Should we like talk to him and see what they say?
Let's go.
Okay, so.
Hi. How's it going?
Hello.
Yeah. Good. Awesome. So you can just grab any of these life jackets in here.
Okay.
All the same, but just on the shoulder and side.
Okay. Thank you. So we're going out on the kayak.
They're all the same, she said, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna take this one. Oops. I'm try doing this one-handed.
Yeah. No.
Okay. All right. Okay, let me put the camera down for a second. Hey guys. Can you see Miranda?
We're doing such a good job.
We're on a kayak. I'm vlogging from my phone because this is waterproof case. And look at where we are. It's raining. Okay, yeah. I'm in the front, she's in the back. Yeah, so
Mirror on the back of your phone?
I did. It's like in the case.
Oh, my foot's falling asleep. I didn't know that it could do that while kayaking.
Okay, so I'm gonna put my phone back away and we're gonna get somewhere else. Wouldn't it be funny if I like dropped my phone into the
I don't know if funny is the word that you want to use, but sure.
Miranda! I can see your reflection
Kirby,
in my mirror.
am I gorgeous or what?
Yeah!
Yeah. I love these houses so much.
So we're in the canoe.
I want to go to the island.
We're going to this island over there. We've been out here about 40 minutes now. Yeah. This is exciting. This is great. Okay, I'm gonna go back to paddling now.
Wiggle my feet a little bit.
Okay.
Okay.
Stop recording. Stop. What the hell? Okay, my phone's acting up. My camera's like foggy.
The water's not too cold.
Okay. Yeah, my camera's like wet. But yeah. Man. Okay. Let's turn around. Sorry.
Oh, there's a seagull up there.
I doubt there'll be eagle then.
Why?
Seagulls and eagles get along?
I don't know.
Zoom out. Gosh damn it. Jeez. I don't know if it's a seagull.
Well, there's definitely a seagull there. There's something behind the seagull. Could be a brown seagull.
So this is where we rented the canoe from. And we're heading back in now. We had 2 hours, but we're early. But it's good because we're freezing and I need to use the bathroom. So we're heading in now. Woo! Which way? Come on, focus. Okay, so we're done with the kayaking. Now we're a little bit warmer. We got some hand warmers in our pockets. She definitely needed them because she didn't have gloves on. Now we're heading to the Baden something. Quarry Rock. And yeah. This is what we're doing on Saturday. Oh yeah, we just got hot dogs and orange juice and stuff like that. So, but this is what we're doing. This is what we're doing Saturday. So we're getting a little sneak peek of what we're gonna get ourselves into. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Oh, I never got our opening shot. My hands are so warm. This is the hand warmers. They're supposed to last for 7 hours. So we'll see. We'll be the judges of that.
It's not that warm on my face.
Maybe because your face is numb.
Maybe. But not as numb as my hands were. So
yeah.
I have Mariah Carey stuck in my head.
Mariah Carey! Oh, baby. Oh, well, I was about to sing Britney Spears. Oh, baby.
No.
You think I'm in love.
And I'm stuck from my bed.
I'm not that innocent. Yeah, we were out there. We were totally out there. Hopefully the footage from my phone isn't too bad. Yeah. It rained. Then it didn't rain. And then the current was hard. But yeah, my arms are getting tired because we had to row.
You didn't even like properly row though. You rested.
But
the hole, and then you went like this, so you kept making me think that we were gonna tip.
But it felt easier on my arm muscles.
Wanna go look at the map?
Yes, that's the best thing to do. Look at the map. Always look at the map.
The map, the map. I should have gone pee.
You could tell it's cold when my ring. Hold on. Yep. Say it again.
Just kidding, viewers.
So we kind of realized we're running out of time because I have to hope. Because I don't know if you're like officially going or not.
I'm so offended.
Are you going?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. We have to help Kravenda.
What?
Shoot Travis.
Oh.
We had to help him shoot a thing today at 7 and it's 5 and it takes about an hour to get back.
Also, Talisa just really realizes that she's lazy and she doesn't like to go upstairs.
I don't, but that's the whole reason we came, to see if there was like stairs, but it's just like the time. Because it takes an hour to get back and it's 5 o'clock. And I wanted to get back at least 6:30 so I can get my laptop and then go back into the city. So I guess we'll figure out how it is on Saturday.
How it be?